Morning, guys. Currently going out to Ghost Lake here in Calgary, Alberta. It's kind of on the way to Banff. And we're going ice fishing.
Ice fishing!
Totally new sort of fishing for us. So
for you.
For me at least. So I don't know what the heck's going on, but
this guy's a fly fisher.
Yeah, I'm only on the flies. There's a couple fish out there. There's bull trout, I believe there's pike, there's perch, is what
else?
Tav's brother was saying. There's lake trout, which is what I'm kind of hoping to get onto. Because I've never caught one before, and I think it'd be kind of cool. We got Rip, Big Rippy.
Can't see him. You'll see him later.
You'll see him later. He'll be sniffing fish, hopefully. First day of 2026, by the way. So Happy New Year's to you guys. Unpacking the car, getting into it. This is Rip that we were talking about earlier.
He's being a shithead right now.
He's got his little boots on. We got him those for Christmas.
My little boots. Little boots.
Alright, so we're about to head out to our spot. Don't know what the heck's going on. We're just gonna head out that way. What's wrong, Rippy? Maybe a couple stones throws that way. And we're gonna climb that flag post and hope we catch some fish.
He's making me the mule. He's making me carry everything. And he's just carrying a coffee cup right now. That's literally all he's carrying. I gotta sneeze.
Bless you.
There's another one.
Another one. Old sneeze and Tav.
Yes, the shitters.
Here we go. Tent, got it from the girlfriend Santa Claus. Auger, got that from Santa Claus. Tent, or the heater, got that from the girlfriend Santa Claus, aka the lady behind the camera. Beautiful lady. So we're gonna get her set up now. Pretty easy. I think this is very top.
How does one do this? Okay, ready?
Yep.
Well, your side.
5 hours later.
That was sick.
Sick. That was easy.
That was easy.
It's perfect tab size.
Perfect top size. Couple windows. There's some lines to anchor down, but it's not that windy, so I don't think we'll put those in right now. And step 2, drill a hole with that old puppy right there.
Here comes the brother and the girlfriend.
His girlfriend.
The brother and his girlfriend. Right here. Where's Trout down?
Do you want my hoodie? Put it over top of the jacket.
So, update on the fishing. Zip. We've caught zip. We've caught
Zilch.
nothing. We have caught 0. But you know what we have caught? A good old time. Oh, why?
11:27. Been here for a couple hours now.
Yeah, she's
Might be time for lunch.
she's not looking good. That's for sure.
How was your guys' Christmas?
So cute.
Good.
Somebody brought their adventure cat out to fish today.
Weird.
Look at it.
Having a little bit of a warm-up session in here. No fish so far.
Freaking cold out. Double jigged up
Double jigging on a Wednesday.
on a Thursday.
Checking out. No dice. That's why they call it fishing, not catching.